Hello friend, I'm Somadi back with new tutorial video regarding RCC lectures. Before starting this video, I want to say something. From previous video, I covered the IS 456. In case you missed that series or video, you find I button, just go and check out. From this video, we'll start RCC design analysis. But before starting the design analysis, first we have to understand why. Why we read the RCC design. Why? I hope there's some people in whose mind this question is generating. So today I will talk the whole video why we read RCC design. From next video we'll start the RCC design lecture wise and what we will cover in the coming video that also covered this video. So without further delay, let's get started this video. Okay, answering the why, this has the two part. One, exam point of view, because it's a very important, very beautiful, very gorgeous, very interesting subject for every civil engineer. So if we focused for the exam like UPSC, ESE, GATE examination, state level PSC or any other civil government job, definitely you will find the RCC related question. And this question has two parts. One part is related to analysis and one part is direct from the codal provision. That is why I covered IS 456 clause wise. Okay. So that is why we read the RCC design. But if you consider the knowledge, then why RCC we have to read? Every civil engineer's dream was build something. It may be road, it may be building, it may be any kind of structure. And in civil engineer today's date, there is two type of design, because you have to do something. Before that you have to do design, either steel design, another RCC design. So that is why you have to understand RCC design. This is the point number one. What is the point number two? In your college, either you are a BTech student or you may be a diploma student. You read about shear force diagram, BMD diagram. You may find the what is the maximum value of BMD. Then you understand how to solve the indeterminate structure, how to solve three moment diagram, how to solve the moment distribution method. But why? This answer lies in this RCC design. This all the answers lies in the RCC design, because in RCC design we have to provide steel rod, and these steel rod take your tension. Before saying this tension, this steel rod have two functions. Number one, main steel rod and stirrup steel rod. This main steel rod take tension and this resist your shear, and these tensions comes as your maximum बेंडिंग मोमेंट. सो जितने सारे आपके पास स्ट्रक्चर है, you have to find out the maximum bending moment. As per maximum bending moment, you have to provide the main steel rod. Okay, I hope the picture are getting clear slowly and slowly. Yeah, मजा आने वाला है. Okay, so this is the two reason why we read the R.C.C design. But from next video, what we will cover in this R.C.C design? What will we cover in R.C.C design? Okay, before saying this, I give you a little small introduction. R.C.C, okay, reinforced cement concrete. So basically, it's a combination of steel and concrete. What type of concrete? It's a cement concrete, not lime concrete. It's a cement concrete. Okay. But why there is steel, why concrete, everything I will be explaining in the next video. So now we'll talk about what we'll cover the coming R.C.C lecture video series. In our video, we'll cover design method of R.C.C design. What are the standard we use? That means the IS code. जैसे कि I covered IS 456 and there are so many more. Then we cover what is the best method. Yeah, there is a lots of method. It means working stress method, ultimate load method, limit state method, plastic state method. There is lots of things, but why we choose, why not choose? Then we'll definitely cover use of R.C.C and definitely what is the difference between R.C.C and PCC. PCC is plain cement concrete. We'll further talk about this and definitely examples. So in my coming video series, we'll cover all these things, and in coming video series, I am planning what video will come further. But in case any video, any topic I missed regarding R.C.C, definitely let me know in comment section. Okay. So first video we'll talk introduction. In this introduction, we'll talk about what is your PCC, what is the R.C.C, what is its use, what is its advantage, disadvantage, what types of material it is used. So these all things come under introduction. In short, I write PCC, R.C.C, material, advantage, disadvantage. These all things are we covered in the first chapter. Next chapter should be working stress method. Yeah, I talk about the method. So here, third we'll talk about shear and bond. Why shear and bond? I talk about the stirrup steel resist shear. Then we talk about the beautiful, the gorgeous limit state method. Then we talk about the limit state method of collapse. In this collapse we talk about the flexure and shear. Then we start the analysis part. So here I write analysis part. Beam. So here we talk about the single reinforcement beam, double reinforcement beam, T beam, L beam. Then we talk about the slabs. Here we talk about the one-way slab, then two-way slab. Then we talk about the compression member column. Then we do steered. Then we do footing. So these are the basic things I'm trying to cover in my R.C.C video series. So in case if you think I am missing any kind of topic, subtopic, so definitely let me know in comment section. So I will definitely make video regarding these video series. Okay, so I hope you have a clear idea why we read the R.C.C design. Why? So I'm believing that this video give you a little bit clarity regarding R.C.C design. So in case you find any kind of value from this video, like the video, share the video to your groups, because knowledge is the ultimate thing which can help you to survive any kind of situation. With this note, I'm ending this video. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon in next video, that is the introduction of R.C.C design.